What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward, guys, get down in the description box and click on that Moo link. Open up that Moo account today. If you put $100 in there when you open it, you're gonna get 5 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward. If you put $1,000 in there when you open it, you're gonna get 15 free stocks plus $30 cash reward. Limited time offer, guys, so don't delay, act today. Get down in that description box and click on that Moo link. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. Send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Let me know you've opened the Moo account and funded it, and I'm gonna send you 2 Moo tutorial videos so that you can learn how to use this app and start buying these big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth, man, immediately. Guys, was I wrong about Bitcoin? My goodness. November 2022, Bitcoin was trading at $17,000 a coin. Fast forward, November 2024, it's trading at $81,000 a coin. My goodness, that's a 5x in 2 years. I know a lot of y'all have said, Richard, I told you so. You don't know what you're doing. I told you crypto's the future. Bitcoin going to 150,000 a coin, etc., etc., etc. And you guys might be right. But I'm still not a cryptocurrency guy. I still believe cryptocurrency is a Ponzi scheme. Just a legalized Ponzi scheme, that's all. There's no operating company, there's no products, there are no services that you can point to show underlying value for this investment. It's just whatever the next guy says it's worth. Now that's working right now. And if you got in this thing 2 years ago, you're probably sitting on a stack of cash right now. Well, maybe unrealized cash because you probably hadn't sold it, because you're gonna probably wanna go higher, because that's what everybody is saying. It's gonna go to $150,000 a coin. I don't know about that, but I tell you right now, it has 5x itself in 2 years, so it's pretty compelling for those that jumped into this thing and stayed the course. I've never said, guys, that crypto couldn't build your wealth. I never said that. My claim is it's just a Ponzi scheme because there is no underlying value. It's only worth what someone says it's worth. So for me, that's just not enough to be able to take my money and put it into Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum, the last time I checked, was about $3,100 a coin. So it has not experienced, in my opinion, the same growth spurt as Bitcoin. Now, a lot of y'all know I'm a Shiba Inu and Dogecoin investor. Not heavy, very small, a couple $1,000s in each. Back in 2022 when, they were dirt cheap to get, I grabbed 100 million Shiba Inu. I don't know, 5,000 Doge, I believe, somewhere in that neighborhood. And I've just held on to them for 2 years. And they've been in the red most of those 2 years. But man, I woke up Sunday morning and checked them, and my goodness, they were in the green. And I saw a nice little jump in my SHIB and in my Doge portfolio. Nice little jump. And I'm thinking to myself, do I continue to try to ride this wave of luck or do I sell and take my profits and move on to something more traditional? And I made the decision that I'm gonna let it ride. Like I'm in Vegas, I'm gonna let it ride. I'm gonna double down and let it ride and see what happens, because I tell you, if Bitcoin continues to do what it's doing and keeps pushing higher, which I believe it will, because of course we got positive tailwinds behind all growth assets right now. Y'all know President Trump just won re-election, right? Only second president in the history of the United States that's won one election, lost an election, and then came back and won another election. He's only one or two people that have ever done that. So there's a lot of positive momentum and tailwind and FOMO and enthusiasm because of him coming back to the White House. So I think that will push all growth assets higher. We also know last week the Fed met and reduced short-term interest rates again by 25 basis points, which is huge, guys. I keep telling y'all, as interest rates come down, growth stocks and growth assets go up in value, because now money becomes a little bit more cheaper to borrow, and then people take that money, businesses take that money, and they put it into growth assets to build wealth. So if you're not taking advantage of this positive tailwind behind growth assets, please, guys, get yourself in where you fit in. I'm not telling you to go out and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of those other cryptocurrencies, because I'm not going to buy any. And I've went on the record and told you I am not a proponent of those types of assets. And I've told you why. They just have no underlying value, and their value is based on what the next person says they'll pay for it. That's not enough for me. I need more than that if I'm gonna put my hard-earned money in something, right? So I'm just gonna stay with traditional investing, but I am gonna keep my Shiba Inu and my Doge. And let's see where this thing go. Can you imagine, guys, with my 100 million Shiba Inu, if SHIB gets to a penny, 1 penny, I'll make $1 million on those 100 million Shiba Inu. And it cost me a couple $1,000s to get that 100 million Shiba Inu. That's how powerful this thing is if it would work. Now, I don't know if it'll work, but if it works, I'm gonna make $1 million just on the Shiba Inu. And a nice little piece of change on Doge if it continues to go up. Think about if Doge could get to $1. Another $1 million for me, somewhere in that neighborhood. I haven't did all the math on it, but couple $1 million, right? In Shiba Inu and Doge. That's the big reward. Here's the risk. I could lose it all. I could lose my $4,000 or $5,000 that I got into both of them, right? From 2022. Well, drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about Bitcoin. How high do you think Bitcoin's gonna go? Right now, it's doing fantastic. A 5x, man, in 2 years. That's crazy. Can it get to 150,000 a coin? Can it get to 200,000 a coin? Drop it down in the comment box and let me know your comments. Well, guys, if you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash rewards, you got to get down in that description box and click on that Moo link. Open up that Moo account today, man. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Guys, check out my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Go check out the website, man. Over 400,000 of you guys have already done it, so thank you so much. For the rest of you guys, go check it out. Take a careful look at those 10 big boy blue chip digital products that I got that you guys have been investing in yourself like crazy to help you collapse your time frames and get you to your pot of gold faster, guys. That's what those digital products are there for, to help you educate yourself financially so you can become better with your money, and then you'll start spending your money better. Not spending it on things that make other people wealthy, but investing it to make you wealthy. That's what the digital products are there to help you do. So check them out. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got 1,000+ wealth builders in about 6 months. We are on our way to 2,000 wealth builders. Why are people joining this community? Because they want to build wealth, and they want to do it with like-minded people who won't judge them for whatever their religious beliefs are or whatever their political beliefs are. We don't do that over there in the Wealth Builders. It's only about building wealth and positivity. You bring those two things with you, you're going to enjoy the Wealth Builders. It's all about building wealth. That's it. We don't cover any other topics other than building wealth. How can I get to wealth? So if you want to join that community, hit that membership button or that like button in the website. Come on over to Patreon and sign yourself up so you can join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. Stop by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.